Hey, it's your girl Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. As you see by the title, today I'm going to be unboxing the latest Air Jordan Retro 1. So let's get straight into the video. So before we begin, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my channel. But as you can see, there has been a lot of Jordan releases during this pandemic. Now, a lot of shoes are not in stores, so you have to either order them online or into a raffle. But if you get them online, the shipping sometimes is very slow. So all these shoes come in weeks and weeks after the release date, so I don't do a review because I want to do a late review. So I just don't bother doing one at all. But right here we have the Harris 7 2.0 that released April 8th. In the middle we have the Fire Red 5s that released May 2nd. Then right here, this is my favorite out of all 6 of these shoes. I don't know if it's because it's a one silhouette or if it's because it's blue, but my favorite silhouette is a one and blue is my favorite color, so that might just be why. But this is the Royal Toe 1 that released May 9th. Then in the front, we have the Flint 13s that released May 30th. We have the Gem Red Toro 14s that released July 2nd. And then we also have the alternate Grape 5s that released July 7th. So if you guys like any of these shoes or you want me to do a review on them, just comment down below, let your girl know, and I might just do a review. So let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay guys, so I have my box opener right here. But you guys, I have seen this shoe in pictures. I just haven't seen it in person yet. I just can't wait to see it. I think it's going to be really, really cute. I don't know how I'm going to feel about it. But yeah, hopefully I like it. But it's not my size, it's my father's size. But I still wanted to do a unboxing. So here go the shoe box right here. Let's get rid of this. Ooh, that was loud. Let's open this. Yeah. Listen. Ooh. What do we have here? Yo, this shoe. Oh my gosh. I gotta turn my brightness down for this. Yo, this shoe. Look at this. Look at this. We have the light smoke gray ones, y'all. These look fire. These look fire, y'all. Fire. So first we're gonna start off with the sole of this shoe. Now this sole is all black and I really love it because it looks really, really clean. Then we have our Nike along with the Nike swoosh. And this is the typical Air Jordan Retro 1 sole. Then if we look at the toe box, we have a nice white leather. We have some perforations. Now this leather is just a tad bit tumbled, so it looks really, really nice. Then around the toe box area, we have some nice gray suede, and that is around the entire shoe. Our Nike swoosh is also suede, but it is black. Now this suede is really, 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 really soft. You just cannot get it wet. You better put some crep spray on these shoes if you plan on wearing them outside. It doesn't matter if it's raining or if it's sunny. I just advise you put crep spray on these type of shoes. Then we have our Jordan Wings logo. Now this is a glossy finish. It's not stitched, but it does look like it was maybe like stamped on there. It looks like it was stamped on there to me. Then we also have some nice red tumbled leather as well. Then the upper material right here is some more black suede. Then if we look at the tongue, we have a nice white tongue. and it says Nike Air in our varsity red. Then the inside of this shoe just has black laces, and it says Nike Air in varsity red as well. This is a size 11.5. This is not my personal pair. This is my father's, but I still wanted to do an unboxing and review for you guys. Now, we have a shoe tree as well, just the standard shoe tree. And this shoe overall is really, really nice. We also have a extra pair of laces. Me personally, I would just rock the black pair. I feel like if I had the white pair, it would just be too many light colors, and I would like to bring the black out some more, so I would wear the black laces. But this shoe is really, really nice. I really like it, but I probably personally wouldn't wear it. Maybe because I don't know what I would wear it with, but I don't know. And this shoe, oh my gosh, this shoe smells so good. I don't know if you guys do, but I love the smell of factory glue, nail polish, like stuff like that. It smells really good to me. So this shoe does smell really, really good. But that is all for the shoe, so let's get straight into the box. Okay, so for the top of this box, it says Nike with a swoosh in red. Then the side, it says the same thing. This side says the same thing. This side says the same thing. But this side has the size, price, and barcode. So as you can see, the sticker says Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG. White, black, light smoke gray. And there's also varsity red in this shoe. I'm not sure why it's not on the sticker. It also says USA size 11.5, and these shoes retail for $170. And that is pretty much it with the box. So these shoes released July 11th. They came out in preschool sizes, which I don't know the retail price for. Big kid sizes were $130 and men's sizes were $170. The stores that they sold the shoes at were Shoe City, Downtown Locker Room, Foot Locker, JD Sports, Finish Line, and Foot Action. But as of now, the shoes are all sold out at all of those stores, and I'm pretty sure that they're not going to get them back in stock. So if you guys really want these shoes, you can get them off of StockX or GOAT for resale price. So all men's shoes, which are a 7.5 and up, retail price was $170. But if you're going to get your shoes from an app like StockX or GOAT, you're always going to pay more than what retail price was. So right now, an 11.5 on StockX is going for $261, and on GOAT they are going for $264. So that is almost $100 more than what retail price is. And I'm pretty sure for my size, which is a 7.5, they're way more than that. And it doesn't matter what Jordan silhouette it is, because if it's my size, which is a 7.5, or like maybe up to a 9 in men's, all those sizes are going to be way more than an 11.5 in men's, because a lot of people wear my size up to a 9. So that's why all the smaller sizes in men's are always higher than the bigger size in men's. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on post notifications so y'all can get notified every time I post a video. And also comment down below if you guys like these shoes, if y'all got them. And also don't forget to comment down below, let your girl know if y'all want me to do a review on any of the shoes I showed you earlier in this video. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.